Alright, so I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video from Fashion Nova. Like, I haven't done an unboxing video in a while, but like, we got two stuff. Like, so I got a package just now, and I got another package recently. Like, for real, like, these are new stuff. Like, I might have just opened it a little bit, but like, yeah, like, but this one I didn't open so far. So, but make sure you guys like it and subscribe so I can do more unboxing videos. And yeah, let's get straight into that. We're gonna try this on too. Hold on, let's try this on in a second. But like, look at this graphic. I gotta show you guys again. It's a racer tee. I ain't gonna lie, this fire. Let's try it on. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty hard on my front. Like, look at this tee. This is a clean tee. Like, it's not too long. It fits the proportions and stuff like that. Very nice tee. I like the tee so far though. Very good tee though. These pants. Oh, these. I don't remember getting these. These are I think these are cargos. Like, twin. When did I get cargos? Let me put these on. Got the cargos on. I don't know if it's the Move Twin. Like, but I got a nice belt though. I'm not gonna lie. This belt is hard though. I just got this belt just recently. Trim belt though. Like, put this belt with a lot of things. Like, it got pockets in it. Like, what can I say though? Like, but like, this is going on my Depop though. Like, if somebody wants a belt, like, this one's going on Depop. So these are getting sold on Depop though. Like, word two. Like, I'm a businessman, so a lot of this stuff, like, I'm reselling it. So check out my Depop. Like, link in the description. Word two. Degree grinding for real. The next item. Ooh, this a hat. We got a hat to the side, but like, this hat is calm though. I like this hat. This hat's clean. But speaking of hats, I just got this hat too. This hat's clean too. Like, low-key, I'm famous. Like, for real. Which one's harder though? Like, the low-key I'm famous hat or this hat right here? I'm starting to get back on my hat time, and like, hats are so hard. But like, come on. All right, the next accessory. What we have before you even wear it? Let's try this one. Venom hat. This hat's kind of flat though. This hat's kind of flat. But like, I'm sorry, but this is the last hat. I kind of fuck with. I mess with it, but like, out of all these ones, my favorite one gotta be maybe this one or this one. Like, it's really what you feel though. Like, but this hat is hard though. All adjustable. Tan color hat. So let's say you want to go tan. It's a little smaller on my head though. Like, honestly, this is honestly a smaller hat, but like, it's some chill shit too. Like low key, some chill stuff. Is that it? Wallet chain on. I'm gonna try it on the cargos, then I'm gonna show you the other stuff I got. This is how the wallet chain look like officially. I didn't show you guys completely, but like, this is how it looks like. All right, let's try it on the pants now. The cargos. This is how it look like. I got it officially on. Like, this looks so hard though. On cargos though, like, I'm telling you, belt, cargos. Like, I'm on my timing though. Like, but put it on the front side, and you put on the left side, right to left, like, closer side though. But like, this is a trim outfit though, I'm not gonna lie. All right, next outfit. Do it completely though. This sweater jacket is so hard though. Like, I'm surprised it didn't sell out though. Like, Fashion Nova got this stuff though. I'm not gonna front. If you want cheap stuff, go Fashion Nova though. Wear it like this. Like, I never tried it on like this, but like, look at this jacket. This jacket is so hard though, I'm not gonna lie. Or I could just button it up. Let me button this up. I low-key like this is so trim, dude. Like, I mess with it. Like, it's like some old money, but like, collar though. And the accessories just do something different. Like, put a chain on there, and I'm telling you, you're gonna be trim, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I've been rocking gold, dude. Gold's been working for me. I don't know why it keeps coming off. I gotta put it maybe higher like this, cause that's better. But like I'm saying, y'all get the point though. This shit hard as hell. Like real talk. Hard ass. You can't tell me this is not trim, dude. Flannel and hoodie. And shorts, I mean not hoodie. I'm tripping. So let's get straight into this. Bro, where'd my shorts go? I swear I got a short, bro. Like, that is crazy. They scammed. Give me no shorts. Yeah, like, I was supposed to get some shorts, dude. It's all good, though. I got other pair of shorts, but, like, let's try this one on. I like this. This is how the flannel looks like. I might lie, this flannel is clean. So it kind of looks like the other outfit a little bit, but like, it's more of like a flannel. Like, it's not like a different type of collar, but like this shirt it's clean though. Like, let's say you just walk into a party, you could just wear it like this. I prefer like open like this. Like, you can wear it however you want to wear it. But like open, you couldn't even wear it. I should got a different pair of yours, but like clean though. I ain't gonna lie.
Nice and silky smooth.
But me personally, I want to button it up for sure. Like, you could button it up too. But button up is kind of played out though. It's even hard button up too. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I mess with it though. Another pair of shorts. I had to get some pair of shorts because I'm surprised I didn't get shorts. But like, this is like a plastic shorts. Like here, these shorts are hard though. I'm not gonna lie. Look at these shorts. These look clean as hell though. Like, but like, let's try this on. Let's try this on. It's so. That's how the shorts look like. I have to go with a lower angle as you guys can see. But like, shorts, I mess with it. Like the ropes are a little thick. Like I like the rope to be a little thick. So kind of fire. This will be like, my opinion, twin. Like, you gotta be a little thick. Like I'm the drawstring length to like. I mess with it though. But yeah, very good shorts though. I'm telling you, and it's breathable. It's not heavy. Like, that's it. Like, low key. Like, tell me if I should do more. Oh, what's it called? Unboxing videos. But like, yeah, like, very good list of clothing. But make sure you guys like and subscribe so I can do more videos. Cause I'm grinding this whole summer. We're not playing. And yeah, like, tell me if you guys are enjoying the content. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time.